Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add color code a chart in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, select and copy color code. Ctrl C for copy. Then click the chart. Click chart. Right click mouse. Go to color fill. Then click more fill colors. Click custom colors. Select this color code and remove, then Ctrl V for paste this color code. Okay, you can color the chart title white, chart below fill color white. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.